Hi! Today we will learn about the phrase end in something. End in something means something finishes with a result. For example, a story might end in happiness, or a game can end in a draw. You always say end in, not end with, or end on. It's an inseparable phrase. This means you cannot put words between end and in. Use it to talk about how events finish. For example, the meeting ended in success, or the argument ended in peace. You can use it in both speaking and writing. Remember, it shows the final outcome. It can be positive or negative. For example, the project ended in failure, or the story ended in surprise. Try to use it in sentences about your day. For example, my day ended in fun. Practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching. See you next time.